What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 highest CPM YouTube niches that can make you a millionaire. If you're not familiar with CPM, it stands for cost per mil, or cost per thousand views, and it's a measure of how much money YouTubers can make from their videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Finance. Finance channels cover a wide range of topics, from investing to personal finance to budgeting. With a CPM of around $7 to $10, finance channels can be a lucrative niche for YouTubers who know their stuff. If you're interested in finance, this could be the niche for you. Number 4. Beauty. Beauty channels are hugely popular on YouTube, and with a CPM of around $10 to $15, they can be incredibly profitable as well. If you're into makeup, skincare, or anything beauty-related, this could be the niche for you. Number 3. Gaming. Gaming channels have exploded in popularity over the last few years, and with a CPM of around $15 to $20, they can be a goldmine for YouTubers who know their stuff. If you're a gamer and love creating content around games, this could be the niche for you. Number 2. Technology. Technology channels cover everything from smartphones to laptops to the latest gadgets, and with a CPM of around $20 to $25, they can be a highly profitable niche for YouTubers who are passionate about tech. And finally, at number 1, business. Business channels cover a wide range of topics, from entrepreneurship to marketing to leadership. With a CPM of around $25 to $30, business channels can be incredibly lucrative for YouTubers who have experience and expertise in this area. So there you have 5 highest CPM YouTube niches that can make you a millionaire. Of course, it takes a lot of hard work and dedication to build a successful channel, but if you're passionate about any of these niches, there's no reason why you can't make a career out of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.